So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new leads from Facebook lead ads to SalesBlink. Let's say you're running some ads on Facebook to generate some new leads, and you want that whenever you get a new lead, you want to add those leads in SalesBlink as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So using this automation, whenever you are going to get a new lead in Facebook lead ads, automatically with the same details, you can add that same lead in SalesBlink as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. And on this Facebook page, I'm running some ads to get some new leads. Now I want that whenever a new lead is generated using Facebook lead ads, I want to add that exact same lead in SalesBlink as well, so that I can start the email outreach to those leads. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with SalesBlink. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. And to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now here in this dashboard, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. So I'll sign into my own Pabbly account. And after signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now here, after reaching to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as Facebook lead ads to SalesBlink. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. Now as we click on create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new lead is received, a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same lead to SalesBlink so that we can add that lead in SalesBlink as well. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger window in Choose App, search for Facebook lead ads. Just select it. After selecting Facebook lead ads in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new lead instant. After selecting the trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Because I'm already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection over here. And after making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, we have to select the Facebook page on which we are running some ads and from which we want to get the new leads. So the name of my Facebook page which we are going to use is named as Green Pro Landscaping. On this page, I'm running some Facebook ads to get the leads. So here from this drop-down, we are going to search for the Facebook page and select it. After selecting our Facebook page, the next thing it asks us is the lead gen form. So it is most likely possible that for a same Facebook page, you might have created multiple Facebook lead gen forms over here. So here in this drop-down of lead gen form, you can see a list of all the forms which you have created. Now, if you want to capture the leads for a specific lead gen form, in that case, you can select a form from this drop-down. But if you want to get the lead from all the lead gen form which you have created for this Facebook page, in that case, you can select this option of all lead gen forms. Now, I want to get the leads of all the lead gen forms for this Facebook page which I have created and add leads from all the forms in SalesBlink. So I'm going to select this all lead gen form option. After doing this, what we have to do, we will just click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new lead from Facebook lead ads. Now what we are going to do, if you're having an active live campaign or ad campaign on Facebook using which you are getting some new leads, then you can just wait for a few minutes for a new lead to be captured. But if not, if you don't want to wait for some time, then using the Facebook's lead ad testing tool, you can generate a test lead and capture that response over here and set up the automation as well. So here what we are going to do, I'm going to use Facebook's Meta's lead ad testing tool. And using this testing tool, we are going to generate some test lead. Now you must be thinking how you can access this testing tool and generate some test lead using it. So let me tell you, we already have a dedicated video live on the channel. You can refer to that video and learn how you can access the Meta's lead ad testing tool and generate some test leads over here. After coming to this testing tool, here in the first dropdown, you have to select the Facebook page that for which particular page we want to generate the test lead. And after that, you have to select the form that using which particular form you want to generate the lead. After selecting the page and the form, just click on this preview form button. And then you can see that the lead gen form is open in front of us in preview mode. Now here in this lead gen form, we are going to enter the details of a test lead, a dummy lead. Let's say the name of this lead is test dummy. This is the name. This is the email address. Then after that, this is the dummy mobile number. And after entering the details of a test lead in our lead gen form, let's click on next and click on submit. So just now what we have done, we have generated a test lead in Facebook lead ad using this lead ad testing tool. And because we have connected our Facebook lead ad account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of this exact same lead. We have the same name of the lead, test dummy, we have the same email address, and also the same mobile number. We'll scroll down further. Here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time this lead was generated, and you can see some other details related to this lead as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect and received the new lead from Facebook lead ads in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send these details of a new lead to SalesBlink, so that with the same details, we can add this lead in SalesBlink as well. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we will search for SalesBlink. Just select it. After selecting SalesBlink, an action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Add Leads to List. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our SalesBlink account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our SalesBlink account. Now you must be thinking how you will get this API key. So to get it, here in the help text, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to a help doc on SalesBlink page. And here you can see a step-by-step guide that how you can use Pabbly Connect automation with SalesBlink, how you can make the connection. And to generate the API key of your SalesBlink account, just go to your SalesBlink account and from the right top corner under this profile section, go to account. After coming to the account section, from the left sidebar here you can see this option of API keys. Just click on API keys over here. And then right now you can see I don't have any API key in my SalesBlink account. Click on this create API key button and give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name my API key as Pabbly Connect. And then click on this create new API key button. And here you can see the API key is generated in our SalesBlink account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our SalesBlink account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the list ID. That in our SalesBlink account, in which particular list we want to add these new leads. So here in my SalesBlink account, I'll show you the list which I have. After that, after coming to outreach section, let's go to list. And then here you can see the list which I have in my SalesBlink account. Now out of all of these, there is a list named as Facebook leads. And in this particular list, I want to add all the leads which I'm getting from Facebook lead ads. So we have to enter the list ID of this particular lead over here in this list ID field. And to get the list ID, just click on these 3 dots in front of it and click on these details. And here you can see the list ID. Just copy this list ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. In this way, you just have to enter the list ID of the list in which you want to add these leads. Then after that, it is asking us for the email. That what is the email address of this new lead which we want to add in SalesBlink. Now here we have received the details of the lead from Facebook lead ads in the trigger step. So we have the first name, last name, email and phone number. Now what we have to do, from this trigger step responses of Facebook lead ads, one by one we have to map all of these details into this SalesBlink action step into their respective field. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of email and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. Out of all of these responses, select the response of email and it will be mapped over here. In this way, whatever email address our Facebook lead is going to enter in our lead gen form, the same email will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and with the same email, with the same details, we are going to add the lead in SalesBlink as well. After mapping the email, we are going to use the same process of mapping for other details as well. Like here in the field of first name, we'll just click here and from the drop down, select the response of first name and map it. Then after that, let's map the response of last name as well. Then we are going to map the response of phone number too. Then it is asking us job title, website and company name. So we haven't received all of these details of a new lead from Facebook lead ads, and all of these details are also not mandatory, are not required. So we can just ignore these fields and keep these fields as blank. But here what we have done, we have entered the basic details of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads into their respective field. And after mapping all the details, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically the new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads, is now added in our SalesBlink account. So let's check it. We will go to a SalesBlink account and we will just open this list once. And yes, here you can see test dummy, the same lead which we have just now generated few minutes ago using this lead ad testing tool. The same lead is now added in SalesBlink. And here you can see the same details of the lead as well. We have the same name, same email and the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new lead in Facebook lead ads, automatically with the same details, we are going to add that same lead in SalesBlink as well. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once in real time. We will go back to the lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead. But before generating a new test lead, first we have to delete the existing test lead which we have generated. Because using this lead ad testing tool, you can only generate one test lead at a time. So just click on this delete lead button, and after clicking on it, what we have to do, we have to basically just refresh this page once. Then after that, we will just select the Facebook page from this drop down. So let me select the Facebook page, here it is, and also the lead gen form. And now we'll just click on this preview form button. And after that, here we are going to enter the details of another test lead. Let's say the name of this lead is dummy user. This is the name of the lead. This is the email address of this lead over here. And then this is the dummy mobile number. After entering the details of a test lead, just click on next and click on submit. So as we click on submit, here you can see just now another lead is generated, another lead is received in Facebook lead ads. And we will see within few seconds, the same lead will be added in SalesBlink as well. So we'll just go to SalesBlink and refresh this list page once. And yes, here you can see dummy user, the same lead which we have generated just now few seconds ago, the same lead is added in SalesBlink too. Here you can see the same name, we have the same email address and the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.